Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the environment so experiments stay reproducible. Create and activate a virtual environment, then install Tensorflow with pip. This isolates dependencies and avoids version conflicts. Once done, verify the installation by importing Tensorflow and printing the version so you know it works. Make sure to place a small sample dataset in a clear folder. Using a tiny CSV or subset of images speeds up iterations and helps you confirm the training loop before scaling. Now you construct and run the model so you can learn what changes matter. Use TF, dataset to load, batch, and prefetch data. That keeps GPU utilization high and avoids bottlenecks. Then build a model with TF, Keras, sequential or the functional API. Start with a few dense or conv layers so training is fast. Compile with a clear optimizer and loss, and call model. Fit with validations split to monitor generalization. This setup lets you iterate hyperparameters and architectures confidently. Finish by evaluating and preserving your results so they are reproducible and deployable. Use model. Evaluate and inspect metrics like accuracy or a confusion matrix to understand errors. Once satisfied, save the model with model. Save as a saved model or HDF5 file for later use. If training fails or performance stalls, check common culprits: mismatched input shapes, improper normalization, or a too high learning rate. Adjust those elements, retrain, and iterate until results stabilize.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.